Question number 4. The diagram in the figure 1.28 shows two forces F1 is equal to 5 Newton and F2 is equal to 3 Newton acting at point A and B of a rod pivoted at a point O such that distance OA is equal to 2 meter and distance OB is equal to 4 meter. From the diagram we can clearly see at point A F1 is equal to 5 Newton, a line segment has been drawn, a directional line segment, and at point B a directional line segment F2 has been drawn which is equal to 3 meter, which are at a distance of 2 meter and 4 meter respectively. Calculate the moment of force F1 about point O. Second, we have to calculate moment of force F2 about point O, and third we have to find out total moment of two forces about point O. So given to us is F1 is equal to 5 Newton. So given is there in your diagram. F2 is equal to 3 Newton. The distance OA is equal to 2 meter and distance OB is equal to 4 meter. To find moment of force F1 about O, this is the first thing that we are going to find out. Second thing, we have to find out moment of force F2 along about point O, and third we have to find out total moment of two forces about point O. So using the given information, first of all we will be finding out moment of force along point F1. So in calculation part we know moment of force का formula, moment of force is equal to force into distance. So for our first case, this is formula, and this distance is the distance at which the force has been applied. So moment of force F1 is equal to F1 into OA. So that will get me answer as F1 is equal to 5 Newton and distance OA is equal to 2 meter, which is equal to 5 2s are 10 Newton meter. Now in second particular case, now this moment of force for F1 is in anti-clockwise sense. It is in anti-clockwise sense, whereas moment of force F2 at point O about point O is F2 into OB, which is equal to F2 value is given to us as 3 Newton and OB value has been given to us as 4. So 4 3s are 12 Newton meter. Now this moment of force F2 about point O is in clockwise sense. So it is in clockwise sense. Now the third one, total moment of force total moment of force is equal to moment of force along F1 by F1 about point O plus moment of force F2 about point O. So moment of force F1 about point O is given by the values that we have got is 10 Newton meter and 12 Newton meter. So 10 plus of 12 Newton meter. But we have a sign convention for clockwise moment and anti-clockwise moment. So conventionally we can write anti-clockwise moment is taken as positive, whereas clockwise moment is taken as negative. So moment of force F1 is a anti-clockwise moment, so 10 will be positive, whereas moment of force F2, which is an anti-clockwise which is a clockwise moment, is going to taken as negative. So value of 12 which we have taken here should be taken as negative. That indicates that it is an anti-clockwise moment. So my answer will be 10 minus 12, which is equal to minus 2 Newton meter. So total moment of force is minus 2 Newton meter, and this minus sign here indicates that it is a clockwise moment. So I will be writing here so final answers we have to write here. So first, moment of force F1 about point O is 10 Newton meter, and that too in anti-clockwise sense. Moment of force F2 about O is equal to 12 Newton meter, which is in clockwise sense. And finally, total moment of force is equal to 2 Newton meter, and that too in clockwise sense. So this is our final answer to the question that has been given to us.